It's Sunday morning, so let me hook you up with another Hook of the Week. Somebody said that they liked Hook of the Week better than the Sunday Hooker, and I have to agree, so we're going to keep calling it the Hook of the Week. How about this piece of 1/2-inch square bar? Now, it's really tempting to make just a simple J-hook style hook out of this, or maybe a top and bottom double coat hook, but let's try not to be so predictable with it. I think instead what I'm going to do is draw out both ends, fold it in the middle, forge weld the center so it's one solid piece again, and then punch a hole in that, and that will be where the hook hangs from, and then it'll be a side-by-side coat hook. Now, because I've been using the gas forge, we're going to do the forge welding in the gas forge, and that means I need to leave it running through most of the process so that it gets up to a good welding heat. So I won't be doing a whole lot of narration on this. Hopefully it'll all make sense if you just watch what I'm doing and follow along. Well, that was a fun little hook, and it really isn't too bad as long as you're comfortable making that one little forge weld. The fact that we could then take that forge weld, spread it out sideways without shearing the forge weld, and punch a hole right at the seam of the forge weld means that's a good weld. So that's a real good one to practice, and you're not out much material if the weld doesn't take. I'd love to hear your comments on whether you like this style of video where I don't talk as much and don't do as much narration, but get right to work and let you figure out what I'm doing by watching. That's a real good way to learn what's going on. You have to engage your brain a little bit more. But if you don't like this style video, I'd love to hear from you about that too. In any case, I hope you have time in your day to get out to your shop, make something, but stay safe, wear your safety glasses. We'll see you for the next one.